Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Brescia Limited is cutting turnaround times and preparing to restart international shipping as it works to get operations back on track. Following complaints last year about lengthy wait times between ordering and receiving bags, Chief Executive Officer Randy Mack told the Business Bites the company has resolved issues with suppliers for raw materials.
We've since de-risked the supply chain. How we did that was by getting supplier options who are more near shore. In the US, we're looking at Latin America and the Caribbean now to see where we can get even closer supplies. And I'm talking all the input material in our products we can get now within a week, in 3 days, next day shipping, as opposed to waiting 2-3 months or more from China, for instance.
He said customers can now expect delivery timelines of about 1 month as the company moves through the final phase of sorting out logistics issues. International shipping, which was paused for over a year due to cost challenges, is set to resume within the next few weeks. Customers overseas will be able to place orders online and have products delivered to their registered addresses.
What we've done is re-engaged a partner. I can't disclose as yet. Where we've negotiated a nice partnership that will see us getting a significantly reduced rate based on what we will be getting out to our clients overseas, into the Caribbean, into the diaspora markets, globally basically.
As the company moves to regularize operations, Mack said he is watching geopolitical developments, noting that further disruptions to transportation and shipping costs remain a risk. Investors are being advised to hold on to cash and take a broader view of the market as higher fuel costs begin to impact everything from consumer goods to interest rates. In an interview with Business Bites, Chris Loy Robinson, Chief Revenue Officer at Proven Wealth, noted that with interest rates still elevated, investors can continue to earn relatively strong returns on low-risk instruments.
So we're looking at your CDs, 30-day CDs is currently in the range of about 5.7 to 5.8%. Looking at treasury bills, you're looking at money market funds, where you're able to get these attractive returns without taking on excess risk. Right. Also on the fixed income side, it's a good opportunity to lock in some of those higher rates, but again, taking into consideration your overall duration.
Robinson warned that the current environment remains uncertain and investors may not want to lock in funds for extended periods, though decisions should ultimately align with individual goals and timelines. As for opportunities on the local stock market, he also pointed to select areas of interest within Proven Wealth's recommendations.
Your manufacturers, your Wasinco, your Stepprod, you can look at your SVLs, these entities that in times like these are expected to maintain their performance or possibly increase their revenue. Carreras is also a good one and pays consistent dividends as well. Trans-Jamaica Highway is still there as an option, and also Social Group from a financial standpoint.
And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.